Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this new vehicle that Lucid is about to make. It's called the Gravity. It's an SUV and most likely it's going to be trying to compete with Tesla Model Y or Model X. So far as we can see the title from Electric, it's stating that this one is going to have about 440 miles, which is a lot more than the Model Y, around like 330 or 276 around there, depending on the model that you choose. And it will be starting about under $80,000 because these vehicles will be built in Arizona, so they will be qualified for the federal tax incentive as well. So if you guys don't know about Lucid, let's do a quick Google search. So those okay, so Lucid, let's see if we can go all the way down. We can see the picture of the CEO, maybe over here. We're gonna see it right here. So Lucid stocks right now is at $4.28, after the closing hours, and this is the CEO, Peter Rawlinson. So at one time he used to work for Tesla, and he was the man who was in charge of the Model S. And after some kind of disagreement with Elon, he took off and decided to build his own company. So, all right. So back from that, here's the Lucid Gravity. So far, as looking at the title, then the range seems really good, right? So we're gonna take a look at some of the pictures here. So this is looks really nice, I have to say. Let's take another ones right here. Beautiful. And the front end kind of look like the Lucid Air that they have at this moment, but since this is an SUV version, so it's a be bigger, taller, and this one it'll be fitting like 7 people as well too. So look at that Gravity. Beautiful. Right, so it has a lot of space for luggage. Right, so we can go down, see what else we need to know. So here to give you about, okay, so it's built on the 900V platforms. So let's look at more pictures. Okay, so you can see the interior. This is they have a lot. So looks really high end, I would say. This is the Dream Editions. So they're gonna have like many variations, but I think the low one will be about 80,000, and it goes on all the way up to over 100K. So depending on the trims level that you want. Okay, you can see here it has Lucid right here, just like Rivian, and also they might be in competition with Rivian R1S as well too. And if you haven't checked out Rivian R1S, it's awesome vehicle too, and the price range is about $100,000 as well. Okay, but here we are. I don't know if I can click in here to go larger. Has just like the Tesla Model X and S, it has like the rear screens over here. You can see this is the inside. Here, there's a big OLED screens right here, and it has another screens right here. Unlike the Tesla, very simple. Just one screen in the middle, and none of this stuff over here. But this one right here, it also has the actual touch buttons here that we can touch on it as well. From looking at the pictures, it looks like it's like a high-end made, and I don't know if because right now Tesla is lowering the prices dramatically, decreasing, and Tesla is the only companies out there that actually making vehicles, producing vehicle, and also profiting from it. Any other EVs companies out there, they're actually making vehicles at a loss. Even Rivian as well too. And I think Lucid here, they're losing a lot of money just by building each vehicle. But to gain market share, they have to. Here's a spec of this one right here. So platforms architecture 900V, And battery capacity, this one 113 kilowatt hours. Ranges go up to 440 miles. This is just an estimate, so sometimes when you do an estimate like this, you expect to be like maybe in the 400s. Charging up to 200 miles in 15 minutes. And right here, you can say that it charged on 300 kilowatt. Currently, Tesla, they have it at 250s. Horsepower, over 800 horsepower. 0 to 60 acceleration, this is pretty fast, 3.5 second. I think for the Model Y performance, you can get it maybe 3.7 in the Model Y, and for the Model 3, maybe 3.1, 3.2 seconds. And if you get the Model X with the plaid version, you probably get about under 3 seconds, maybe 2.6. And payload capacity, 1,500 pounds. Towing capacity, 6,000. Cargo capacity, 112 cubic feet. And drag coefficients less than 0.24. So yeah, so starting at 80,000, and yeah, that's what I talk about. And they have like the high model too, like the tri-motors probably cost over about maybe 115 right here. And this one is pricing 24 and producing in the Arizona factory. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll list the articles in the description, so if you guys want to review it, read it, you guys are more than welcome to. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.